Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome to my next bike build here. This is just kind of an intro video. I'm just kind of running over what we're going to do with it, and then we will go through a multi-part series here, kind of updating you guys along the way with what we're doing. And then at the end also I will have a hopefully full-time lapsed out video of everything from this point on. So basically what we have behind me here is a 2006 Honda CRF50. I bought this bike several years ago, actually probably about 5 years ago now, somewhere down in Indiana. I was going to get a full-size dirt bike and found this along the way, so had to make a multi-stop trip. Anyway, when I bought the bike, forks were bent. It's at pretty much like you see it, except without the white wall tires on it. But anyway, forks were bent. Motor ran actually pretty decently, but one of the problems we ran into a few days after getting it back to the shop was it did knock on startup. So wanted to fix that. So basically what you're seeing right now, the motor's already been pulled. My buddy Matt owed me a favor, so I had him pull the motor out. Another guy that I do a lot of powder coating for, rebuilds small bike motors like this, sent it with him. So he is actually doing a big bore kit on this thing. I believe we're going to an 88cc big bore kit, and redoing that motor so that way we have a nice, fresh, ready to go motor to go in this thing. Some other updates we're doing: new plastics, because the duct taped Street Fighter plastics, while they're cool, I just like the bike to look a little bit better. Replacing the bent forks with some stock forks that are straight, and generally just cleaning up, some powder coating, etc. So that's basically the overview of what we're doing. We're basically just cleaning it up, making it look a little better, making it run better for sure, and if we have bent parts or jacked up parts, we're fixing those also. So that's basically an overview. Couple upgraded parts, obviously, as you can see behind me, and I've showed you in the previous shots. It has the BBR big bar kit on it. It has the Shinko white wall tires on it, which are just give it a really neat look. We have a BBR exhaust on it. It's got I believe a BBR rev box on it. And then, like I said, as far as other upgrades, we're going to I believe an 88cc big bore kit on it. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, follow the build all along the way here. This is going to be a multi-part series. How many parts? I'm not really sure, but you guys can follow along, and we should have a pretty cool little pit bike for jamming around wherever we're at when we're all done with this. So like I said, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we will see you guys on the next episode for this build.